Machine learning tools are software frameworks or libraries that facilitate the implementation of machine learning algorithms. These tools enable computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed for each task. 1. TensorFlow. 2. Scikit-learn. 3. PyTorch. 1. TensorFlow, developed by Google Brain. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning framework widely used for building and deploying deep learning models. It provides a flexible architecture for implementing neural networks across a range of platforms, from CPUs and GPUs to mobile and edge devices. 2. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a popular Python library for machine learning that offers simple and efficient tools for data analysis and model building. It provides implementations of various supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms, as well as tools for model selection and evaluation. 3. PyTorch. Developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, PyTorch is an open-source deep learning framework known for its dynamic computation graph and ease of use. It allows for seamless integration with Python and provides support for tensor computations, automatic differentiation, and GPU acceleration.